I'm Jonathon from Barry Plant in Werribee, and I'd like to introduce you to number 3 Congregation Circuit in the Jubilee Estate. Offered fully furnished, this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-living home is set opposite open parklands and just up the road from the Manor Lake Shopping Centre. The estate is well underway with plans for Australia's largest water park in the Club Jubilee Recreation Centre. There are further plans to build 2 schools, and enrolments have already started for 2020 for the local estate's childcare centre. If you'd like to organise a private inspection, please feel free to give me a call on 0419 536 905, or I look forward to seeing you at this week's Open for Inspections. Thanks for watching.